that there are 26 alphabets in the English language, and each alphabet can be written in two different ways, using a capital letter or a small letter. Now, capital letters are used to show importance or to emphasize. Now, let us learn a very important use of capital letters. We already know that capital letters are used for proper nouns. That is, all the proper nouns begin with a capital letter. So the names of buildings, monuments, bridges, even they begin with a capital letter because these are all proper nouns. The names of buildings, monuments, bridges, all the names are proper nouns. So all these names begin with a capital letter. Like the Taj Mahal is a marvelous piece of art. So Taj Mahal is the name of a monument and it is a proper noun. So Taj, the T of Taj and the M of Mahal are written in capitals. So the T is a capital letter here and M is a capital letter. So when there are two words in proper nouns, we capitalize the first letter of both the words, not just one word. So I don't write it like Taj and Mahal. This is wrong. Both the words should have capital letters in the beginning. So Taj Mahal is a marvelous piece of art. Several vehicles ply on the Howrah Bridge every day. Now, Howrah Bridge is the name of a bridge. So, it is a proper noun. So, Howrah begins with a capital H and bridge begins with a capital B. Now, remember, when I write bridge normally, like my car is waiting on the bridge, then B is small. But in this case, for Howrah Bridge, bridge is a part of the name. Howrah Bridge is the name of a bridge. So it is the part of this name and that's why I write capital B. A huge crowd gathered to see the Statue of Liberty. Now, Statue of Liberty is once again the name of a very important statue, or I can call it a monument in a way. So, the S of statue is capital and the L of liberty is capital. Now, what about O of off? Well, we capitalize only the important words. So, off is a preposition. So, I don't capitalize the first letters of prepositions. So, Statue of Liberty, statue and liberty are the important words. Off is just joining these words or showing a link between these words. So, I don't capitalize the O of off. Also, just like bridge, when I write statue normally, I write it with a small s. I saw a statue. But in this case, statue is the part of the name. Statue of Liberty is the name of this statue. So, I write it with a capital S. The Lords is a famous cricket ground. Now, this is the magnificent cricket ground, Lords. So, it is the name of a place. It is the name of a cricket ground. So, I write it with a capital L. The Lords is a famous cricket ground. This is the famous Disneyland. Have you ever been to Disneyland? This is the beautiful Disneyland. So, Disneyland is the name of a place. So, I should write it with a capital D and not with a small d. So, D of Disneyland should be capital. This is the famous Disneyland with a capital D. So the names of buildings, monuments, statues, bridges, they are all written using capital first letters to show importance or to emphasize. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.